up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Vibing with Fred. As you can see, my friend right now is putting this cream on me, on my arms, and then she put it on my legs as well, that changes the hair color from whatever color it normally is to like golden blonde. This is a very, very, very popular beach thing to do in Brazil. There's vendors who walk around selling it, right? Because again, the guys typically are the ones who have the sunscreen, and they got these little creams, and it's like a little powder. You mix it all up in a cup like she's doing, and then you blend it all up till a cream, and then you just put it on your skin, your legs, wherever you want the hair to change colors at. That's what you basically do. All right. So this is my homegirl. This is my friend. Nothing more than that. For anybody get shit misunderstood, she's just my friend. She was at the beach already with her cousin. So her and her cousin were chilling, and I actually came across them when I was walking. And then I was like, yo, y'all already got this cream. Let me just do a video for the YouTube fam. And something new, something brand new. I've never did this before. It was a pretty cool experience. It takes a while to actually start seeing results with the hair. Like I said, I see a lot of people doing this. A lot of black people do it. It's actually really cool to see blonde hair on dark skin. And I'm looking at my arm right now, and this shit is crazy. So I might post a photo on YouTube. But I'm not a fan of the hair on the legs. It doesn't look as good on my legs as it does on my arms, right? But the shit's like, after a while, when it's sitting, it starts to tingle, burn, and then it starts to itch. Remember, like back in the day when people used to put perms and shit on their head? I did it. I'm sure a lot of y'all did it. Try to lay your hair down, but it feels exactly like that, right? And then once you get it all on your arms or wherever you're trying to change the color, then you go dip in the beach and rinse it off. This shit's starting to itch, starting to burn a little bit. The split on the frame. Starting to burn a little bit, but my friend, she put it on me. Trying something for the first time, you know, get my little Brazil experience in. But yeah, this shit's starting to burn a little bit. It feel like, what's the shit back in the States when we used to like a perm, right? Remember how perms used to burn and shit? Niggas used to put perms on their hair and shit. That cream that started to burn your skin and shit. That's exactly what this shit feel like, bro. Literally. Tá sentindo agora? This shit's starting to burn.